Alright, let's get right into it. This is my 2025 gear wish list. Things that I want to add to my studio. And before you are rolling your eyes, this is not a typical gear list. This is going to be aimed more at simplicity, ergonomics, and workflow. First up, I'm really thinking about giving summing mixers another shot. I still have the Tegeler tube summing mixer. For what I am doing, I think that is a bit too colored. So I'm looking for something more on the clean side, maybe Dangerous, maybe SPL Mixed Dream, or even the Neve Satellite. I want to do this because I am already processing my tube bus. So I am already going out of the box. I already have enough outputs with the X16 from Universal Audio. So I am considering adding a summing mixer to my setup. Next on the list, let's talk about mid-range monitors. Now I have a full range system, the EVE 3010s. It's a great system, but I feel that I'm missing the ability to work at really low levels and focusing just on the mid-range. We have Amphions in this list. We have PSIs, maybe the smaller ATCs, or even just a single driver speaker like the Orotone or any other clone. I think that's something that I want to add to my setup just to complement the full range system that I already use. And now for more analog power. I'm not moving away from analog. Analog is a part of what I want to do, but I'm moving away from analog gear that doesn't have total recall. I'm moving more towards WES, maybe Better Maker, and the next step for me is to add another Titan rack. I already have the Pandora, the multi-band compressor from WES. I want to add a Titan to double the amount of WES audio modules that I will be able to use, because some I want to use on buses, some I want to use on individual tracks, some on the tube bus, and with just a single Titan rack that I have now fully loaded, it's just not enough. Another big topic for me is cable management. I like my working space to be clean. I'm not the most organized person, so this is what I'm looking to improve in 2025. I want to find a proper cable management solution for my Zawor desk. I want to do that and keep it like that because I've changed things so many times and I'm really getting tired not knowing exactly what's behind the desk. I want a cable management that's repeatable, something that's like a standard, so I can change things with ease. I have to find the perfect system for that. Another thing that's not audio related and it's more related to the content that I'm producing, I want to add a NAS to my setup. And I really need the ability to edit, store and move footage with ease in 2025. Right now I am using external hard drives, external SSDs, and I feel that's not the best way of doing it, since I am thinking about stepping up the quality, the amount of videos that I put out. So I want to have the ability to access my projects, either video or audio, from anywhere. Last on my list is another analog piece of gear. It's the NG76. I have one unit in the studio. I'm thinking about doubling it so I can use it in stereo. The 76 is an amazing compressor. Having the ability to use it on stems will just be amazing. Are you upgrading, streamlining or simplifying your setup just like mine? Drop a comment below, let's talk about it, and if this video gave you an idea, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. For more in-depth videos and behind the scenes, join me on Patreon. Thanks for the support and see you guys really soon. Cheers.